Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Mrs. Grant, you can now wait in the patient's room. The doctor's shift has just started and he will be with you shortly. Mr. Grant,
Yes, nurse?
you have to wait here whilst your wife is being attended by the doctor.
Alright, honey. I'll be right here waiting for you.
Hello, Mrs. Grant. What seems to be your complaint today? Nurse, can I have a corkscrew, please?
Here you are, Doc.
Let me have a screwdriver this time, nurse.
The doctor looks worried. It looks like my wife has a serious issue.
Here is your screwdriver, Doc.
Nurse, I need a chisel and a hammer urgently, please.
Here they are, Doctor.
Dear God, please, whatever the medical problem is, let my wife recover and I'll attend church every Sunday.
Nurse,
For heaven's sake, doctor, what's wrong with my wife?
I don't know yet.
Is she going to live, doc?
I have not attended to her as yet, sir. I just can't get my bag open.